A stunning 3+1 bedroom executive home backing onto a ravine setting within an exclusive neighbourhood of Clarington's Courtice community. Welcome to 102 Auburn Lane. Through its stately front entrance is a grand reception foyer with ceramic flooring and which opens into the formal living and dining rooms. These two distinct entertaining spaces feature hardwood flooring, crown moldings, as well as gorgeous contemporary chandeliers, while the dining area's tray ceiling has been painted a dark color that contrasts with the neutral decor of the room, enhancing its elegance and the aura of intimacy felt within the space. The kitchen has a heated ceramic tiled floor, and this gorgeous custom workspace also showcases a center island with seating, stone countertops and a subway tiled backsplash, filtered drinking water, a double-wide stainless steel main sink and a separate prep sink, both with garburators, cabinetry with soft-closing hardware and upper cabinets with glass-paneled accents, as well as high-end Jenn and Sub-Zero stainless steel appliances, including a built-in dishwasher, a built-in gas cooktop with a restaurant-style food shelf and heat lamps in the range hood, wine and beverage fridge, a side-by-side fridge freezer, as well as a built-in microwave and wall oven with a warming drawer. Between the kitchen and its generously sized breakfast area is a walkout to the backyard, while dark-colored decor columns grace the entry into the incredibly spacious family room. An amazing space for casual entertaining, this room features hardwood flooring, a framed picture on its south wall, a corner stacked stone accent wall with a gas fireplace, a built-in media cabinet, and includes a speaker system. Enhancing its spaciousness is the vaulted ceiling above a panoramic window complete with a powered blind, and this massive window offers a fantastic view of the backyard and the ravine setting beyond it, while the backyard itself features a large tiered deck with a pergola, a garden shed with power, and includes a hot tub and a built-in gas barbecue. Throughout the entire home is pot lighting and upgraded ceiling light fixtures, most of which are LED, rounded corners, and California shutters can be found on almost all the windows. While the main level additionally features a mudroom with closet and household storage, access to the garage, and a stainless steel sink with stone counter, as well as a powder room with a stone top vanity and a glass vessel basin. Carrying to the upper level is a staircase finished with dark-stained hardwood treads and a railing accented with wrought iron pickets. And this level showcases hardwood flooring throughout, as well as 3 spacious bedrooms, all with wall-mounted televisions, 2 well-appointed washrooms, and a laundry room. The third bedroom has a double closet and built-in corner desk unit, giving this room the option to be used as a private home office. Adjacent to this bedroom is the beautifully upgraded main washroom, which features a tiled floor, a vanity with stone counter and vessel basin, as well as a shower area with glass door. And the second bedroom is quite generous in its size, enjoys an abundance of bright natural light from a south-facing exposure, and has a walk-in closet. Completing the common use area is the laundry room, which features front-load washer and dryer, a stainless steel sink, a mosaic tile backsplash and stone counters, as well as great cabinetry storage, and with a linen closet conveniently located right outside its door. Double doors off the upper landing open into a lavishly sized master suite, where a wall of north-facing windows, including a Palladian-style window with a built-in bench seat and storage, allow for both abundant natural lighting and views of the backyard. The hardwood flooring in the bedroom has been laid on the diagonal, and this exceptional personal space also features a built-in dresser, as well as 2 walk-in closets, both complete with custom organizers, while the closet along the north wall also has a French door entry and a window for natural light. Completing this retreat is its luxuriously appointed ensuite washroom, which showcases a heated ceramic tiled floor, a custom vanity with stone counters, drop-in basins, and a makeup vanity, a freestanding tub with a TV, as well as an oversized glass shower with a mosaic tiled accent design and a spa system. Both the upper landing and the main level foyer are flooded with natural light through a huge second-story window, as well as an entryway with scrolled wrought iron and glass inserts, while ambient lighting comes from sconces above the door and an exquisite cascading chandelier suspended from the foyer's cathedral ceiling. This home also features a 2.5-door garage with openers, complementing the 6-vehicle parking that the driveway offers. The garage is finished, heated, and has an epoxy floor, and comes with a fridge, sound system, storage cabinets, golf rack, and bike hangers. While other important features of the home include a new roof, an air exchange system, a tankless water heater, a security system with cameras, a sprinkler system, and a professionally finished lower level. Showcasing outstanding family and entertaining space, this level's upgraded washroom features a glass shower, a vanity with a glass vessel basin, and the sophisticated accent of red ceramic tiles and stone vanity counter. All the ceramic flooring on this level is heated, and the huge recreation area has a stacked stone corner feature wall with a gas fireplace and a flat-screen TV. This fantastic entertaining space includes the pool table and its overhead light, and has a full wet bar with a wine and beverage fridge, a flat-screen TV, as well as mosaic tiled backsplashes and a stone counter. The theater room has ambient lighting, carpeting, 6-person seating, and includes a built-in cabinet as well as all movie theater equipment. And this level also features a bonus room ideal as a 4th household bedroom, complete with a built-in desk. Schools within the catchment district of this home include Dr. Emily Stowe Public, St. Mother Teresa Catholic Elementary, and Holy Trinity Secondary Schools, as well as the following for their French immersion programs: Dr. G.J. McGill of Republic, Good Shepherd Catholic Elementary, Courtice Secondary, and St. Stephen Catholic Secondary Schools. Located in an exceptional neighborhood, this home is close to King Street shopping, restaurants and entertainment, as well as recreational and sports facilities, with access to Highway 401, a short 5-minute drive away.